If you're looking to set up a brand new YouTube channel, or your current one is stuck and you don't know why, don't worry, together we've got this. My name's Chris, and for the past 8 years I have been a full-time YouTube consultant, helping top channels continue to develop their brand and new creators to dive right into the exciting world of YouTube. So in this gig, I am thrilled to pass this knowledge on to you by first discussing with you exactly what your goals are and the quickest route you can go down to achieve them. The important part of any new channel is one key factor that no one ever talks about. It's easier said than done, but I'll be sharing that with you, and it's valid for any type of content. By the end of the call, you'll know exactly how to set up a brand new channel. That's 15 seconds. But more importantly, you'll know exactly what works, why, and how we can align your content to YouTube's best practices. My premium gig are for those people who are looking to unlock monetization quicker. I'll be your professional mentor to teach you about every aspect of YouTube, from content, branding, SEO, and engagement. Don't worry, I am here before, during, and after the gig, so if you're a complete beginner, you're not alone, and I look forward to sharing with you the best next steps in your YouTube career.